There is a price that makes customer trust you less, and most new dropshippers are charging it. It usually happens in week 1. You find your product, you check what everyone else charges, and you go a few dollars under all of them. It feels smart, it feels safe, and then visitors come and nobody buys. And look, undercutting isn't a silly idea. It's what shopping online taught all of us. But your new store isn't a marketplace, that's the difference. On your own website, a low price doesn't say bargain. Most of the time, it says something is off. In case you are new here, I'm Toval. I run a 6-figure Google dropshipping store. And pricing was one of the first things I got wrong. So I'm not guessing at this, it's what I have tested and see it doesn't work. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to price so strangers trust you. And underneath all of it, there is one belief about pricing that quietly costs new stores more sales than any art's mistake. I will name that belief shortly, so stick around for it. Let's dive in. Let me show you where the cheap instinct comes from, since it didn't start with you. On Amazon or eBay, going cheaper genuinely works a lot of the time. The buyer already trusts the platform, the checkout is familiar, the buyer protection is built in, and the reviews are sitting right there. All the trust has been handled by the marketplace. So price becomes one of the few things left to compare, and the lower listing often wins. That's the lesson we all absorbed. Lower price, more sales. But the moment you open your own store, the whole safety net is gone. A stranger landing on your website has no marketplace wrapped around you, no protection badge they recognize, and no 1,000 reviews to lean on. It's just you, your product, and your price. And with the safety net gone, your price stops being a simple number. It becomes a message, and you need to hear that message the way a stranger hears it. A stranger reads your price before they read a single word on your page. So here is the line to hold on to. Your price talks before your product does. Picture it from the customer's side. The customer searched for the product. He has seen what it goes for across a few stores, and he lands on yours where it costs less than half of everywhere else. He doesn't think, oh, what a bargain this product is. He thinks, why is this one so cheap? Is it fake? Is it a copy? Will it even arrive? You have felt like this before. If a seller you have not heard of offered you a brand new iPhone at a quarter of the normal price, you wouldn't feel lucky. You would feel suspicious, and you will keep scrolling. Your visitors are having the exact reaction, just quietly on your product page. And the cruel part is that you meant it as generosity. You cut your price to make buying easier, and instead you handed every visitor a reason to hesitate. So underpricing costs you trust, but it also quietly bleeds the business itself. And this second cost is the one that ends the store. That second cost is your margin. Price too low, and after you have paid for the product and its shipping, there is barely anything left. There is no room to pay for your Google ads, no room to give customers proper service, and no reward for any of the work you have done. You have built a store that punishes you for every sale it makes. A fair price doesn't mean the opposite either. It leaves real margin, and real margin is what pays for fast replies, proper packaging, and the ads that bring the next customer. Delivering well is what makes your price believable, and the price is what funds delivering well. The two hold each other up. And to be clear, honest pricing also means no games, no fake promotions, no invented crossed out prices, no fake 70% off. Shoppers see through it, and so does Google. Your price isn't just talking to customers, it's also talking to Google. Honest pricing sits inside the trust checks Google runs on your store, right alongside your policy pages, your contact details, which is exactly what my tool looks at. It is called pastgmc.com. You drop your store URL in it, it checks your store against the same trust signals Google checks, amongst other things, your pricing, your policies, and your contact details, and it hands you the list of things to fix. The link is in the description below and the scan is free. So now you have seen both cost of a price that is too low, it costs the stranger trust, and it starves your margin, which leaves the belief I promised you, the one thing underneath every underpriced store. The belief is this: cheaper is easier to sell. It sounds so obvious that nobody ever questions it. And to be fair, on Amazon or eBay, where the marketplace carries the trust for you, going cheaper really can win you the sale. But on your own store, to a stranger with no reviews around you, cheaper is usually harder to sell. The lower you go, the more doubt you create. And doubt is the one thing no discount can fix. That doesn't mean you should swing to the other extreme and overcharge. No, it means you charge what the product is genuinely worth, and in the same neighborhood as the market, sometimes even a little above it. And then you make your store trustworthy of that price with real contact details, real policies, and honest promotions. So remember it this way: your price talks before your product does. Make sure it is saying we are a real business and this product is worth it. Charge like a real business and buyers will believe you are one. And as always, let AI do the heavy lifting while you do the living. See you in the next one.